Hey guys, I'm Megha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Creation Knows No Bounds. So as you know that Father's Day is approaching, so I thought of making something for my father as well. So this video will be totally based on Father's Day gifts. So I am going to make some bottle arts today, and this will be totally on Father's Day illustrations and some quotes on Father's Day. So let's continue with the process, and I hope you will like the process. Stay tuned and watch the full video to see the bottle arts. I hope you will like it. Let's continue. This is the first bottle I'll color, and I have taken here ultramarine blue and white color, mixed it, and this color has came, and I'll paint the whole bottle with this color. So let's start coloring the bottle. I have chosen this color because this is a very good color, pastel color, and pastel colors I like the most because it's a very good color. It gives a nice effect. That's why I love it. So I'll do this color in the whole bottle. So quickly I'll paint the bottle. So here I am done putting 2 coats on this bottle, and now I'll start doing something here. I have thought of writing a quote on this bottle. So let's start with writing the quote. As you can see here in this bottle, I am doing some markings so that I'll write in between these markings so that it will look better. So I'll quickly fill up the gaps where I made certain patterns. I'll write in between these patterns. So I'll quickly start off with it and write using these jelly rolls, or I'll use this 3D outliners as well because it looks good on it. I'll use these 3D liners. So let's quickly complete it. So as you can see, I am done with my first bottle. I have totally completed it. I have done everything, all the detailings as well. So this one I have written a quote on it. You can see the quote. So yeah, let's move on to the next bottle. So this is my second bottle in which I'll color. So in this bottle I will color this color. I'll color in this bottle. So for this color I have taken orange and white and I mixed that color, and now I'll use this color to color this whole bottle. So I'll quickly color up this bottle. So now this is the bottle in which I have put 2 coats of this color, and now I'll start painting on this bottle. So I'll quickly now do my painting. So now as you can see, I have done with my drawing which I have drawn on this bottle. So I'll not do anything extra on this bottle. I'll make it leave like this. I'll only do one single thing, that is I will just highlight this drawing because I don't want to color this. It's already looking nice, and so I'll leave it like this. So I just quickly do it the finishing, and I make some detailings over here, and then I'll be done with my bottle. See, I am done totally with highlighting such areas, and you can see it's really looking very awesome. And I'll just write here Happy Father's Day, just that's all, and then I'll be done with this bottle. Just quickly write Happy Father's Day here. So here I have written Happy Father's Day, and my painting is totally done. I have done everything, all the detailings as well. So now my bottle is ready. So if you want, you can do your own things, and if you want to color this painting, you can go for coloring, but I will not color because I think that it's looking nice, so I don't not color. And yeah, now it's totally done, and really it's looking very simple and beautiful too. So here, if you want to do something, you can go for it, or if you want to do anything extra in this bottle, you can always go for it. So let's move on to the third bottle, or the final bottle. So this is the final bottle with which I will work, and I'll work with some decoupage tissues on it. These are some decoupage tissues, and I'll be using this napkin. These are decoupage tissues I bought from Itsy Bitsy. You can buy it from that only, from that website. You can get 4 with 100 rupees. I have got it with an something. There was some sale going on, and therefore I got it 4 with 100 rupees. So you can buy this from that website as well. Now I don't have Mod Podge right now because I have done many bottle paintings, and therefore I have finished with it, and I have ordered my Mod Podge and my varnish as well. So yeah, I'll use this one. First I will take it out. There are 4 prints in 4 parts, so I'll tear one of it. First I'll take a brush and I'll dip it in water, and then I'll just simply do this so that it can tear easily, otherwise it will damage. So now I'm tearing it. Yeah, I have taken one piece, single piece right now, and this is what it looks like. And behind it you can find 2 papers, and you have to remove that 2 sheets. I'll show you when I'll stick it. Now I'll do one thing. I don't have Mod Podge right now. I'll use this in this container. I'll take Fevicol and water, and I'll mix it, and then I'll spread it on the bottle, on top of the bottle, and then I'll stick the tissue. So I have taken this much Fevicol, and I've taken little amount of water. So I'll mix it. If this can be like this, and you have to make a ratio of 2 parts of Fevicol and 1 part of water, so that it does not get so thick or so thin, so that you can use it easily. If it flows, that is not good, and if it does not becomes too thick, then it will not flow, and you can't stick the paper on top of it. So I'm applying Fevicol and water mixture on top of it. As I've told you, here are 2 tissues. Behind there are 2 papers, and you have to remove both the papers. You can see I've removed 1 paper. And here comes the other paper. You can leave 1 paper because it's your choice, so that it does not get harm the paper which you will be sticking in the bottle. So now I'm here with the single sheet now, and just slowly I'll put it here so that it does not get stretched or tear. Lightly I'll dab it. If it's getting marks, leave it. Just lightly dab. The place where you have not put the Fevicol water mixture, do that area, stick it, lightly press just like this so that it gets stick to the bottle. Take the brush, dip it in the mixture, and then slightly brush it, lightly do the brushing so that it doesn't tear. You can see it's getting marks, so leave it if it's getting marked, because it is a tissue, and if you press much on top of it, then it can tear. So don't press much. You can lightly just brush all over the mixture which you have made with Fevicol and water, or you can spread the Mod Podge as well. And after doing with it, you can leave it for about 20 minutes to dry out, so that it can turn out a beautiful piece. After it dries out totally, you can add some colors. everywhere. So as you can see that I have done this only in the front side. I have not done anything here because I don't think I'll require something to do here. If you want, you can do here as well. So, or you can do something here as well also. I'll do something here also. So let's keep aside for about 20 minutes to dry up properly. It's now been 20 minutes and this decoupage has been fully dried. So I have taken, so here as you can see there are red patterns. So I have taken red and a bit of yellow color. It has turned pink. So I'll lightly just brush it. As you have seen, I have made. Lightly I'll mark these areas and I'll just clear my brush, and the water which was there in the brush, with the help of that water I'll spread it out. I'll spread it out in the full body of the bottle. I'll make just normal lines with this brush because I don't want much paint in this bottle. I'll keep this paint a little bit like this, this normal shade. I don't want much color to be painted in the bottle, as the decoupage tissue I've used, it's greyish in color, so I'll not do much. As you can see, I have done it till now, and I'll complete it and complete the whole. Now if you want to use a brush, you can use the brush as well, or if you want some good patterns, you can take some more color. Here you can take some more. I've taken here little amount of 1 drop of red color, and I'll use much of water so that it does not. I'll not use this red totally because then it will not look nice. So I've taken much of water in this red color, and I'll take this paper. You can take tissues like this, wrap it like this. You can do like this in the tissue, and directly you can do like this. You can see these marks are looking great here. Like this, you can do it everywhere where there is white paint and you require to fill the gaps. So I'm just doing the same thing all over the bottle. Where you can see I'm done with the coloring, and I have done with that tissue paper as I have shown you at that time, because I personally like that marks, because it's just see here, it looks so beautiful, this marks. And I have done red here, and now you can see I'm done with the bottle, and as you can see it's looking very nice. And I have taken this pearl metallic color with the shade metallic copper, and with the help of this color I have highlighted certain areas. Here you can see the marks. I have highlighted these regions where I have pasted this pattern, this paper, decoupage paper, and I have highlighted here. As you can see, certain marks are here, and the paper which I sticked here, I have not done anything like that there, so I'll not do it there. Or if you want, you can do some markings here as well, or in the end. I think I'll do it. And a very important process with all the bottles, that after finishing this bottle you have to varnish it as well, because varnishing is the main thing that you can do in your bottle, because it's a very important thing. Because it by chance it gets washed with water, it will not have any chances that it comes out. So right now I don't have my varnish, but as I have told you earlier that I have ordered my varnish, so it will come in 2 to 3 days, and then I'll varnish it. But when you will be doing it, make sure at the end of this bottle painting you varnish it as well, and you should varnish it and keep it 2 to 3 days to dry totally, and then it is good to use. So yeah, I'm done with this bottle. Yeah. And I have done another decoupage tissue works which I'll show you right now. So let's have a look in my other decoupage bottles. As you can see, these are my other decoupage works. This one I have made now only, and this is the one. This one I love it. I love the most this decoupage because it's really looking so beautiful, and it's a floral one. And here this is also a floral one, and there are some writings here as well, and I love this one also. And these are you can see 2 cute teddies are here. These are also, so as you can see I have made a string attached here, so that if you want you to put these strings in your bottle, you can go for it. It's really looks nice. See, I've painted with this golden color, this thread, and I love this series. So if you want to recreate, you can go and recreate these bottles. And if you really recreate these bottles, and please don't forget to tag me in my Instagram account, Crafto Artist. and I'll show you some of my other works that I have done in bottle. So these are two bottles which I have painted. So you can see these bottles, and as I have told earlier, if you want to recreate any of my things which I am posting in my YouTube, that will be great. And please don't forget to tag me in my Insta account, that is Crafto Artist, that is my art account. So yeah, please recreate and tag me. And these are some bottles where I have written something here, and you can read all this. So these are my bottle paintings, and other bottle paintings are also there which ones are sold. These are also customized back. I have to sell this to this one have been placed for orders, and that I have not sold because due to lockdown I can't sell it right now, so I'll sell it. So please like, share and comment, and tell me in the comment section that if that do you like all these bottles or not. And please go and check my arts in my Insta account, Craft Artist. Yeah, thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Thank you so much. Stay safe. Bye bye. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.